Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Before proceeding ahead, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the lat- latest notification about the video. In the previous class, we have learned that how can we create a Google Classroom. In today's video, I will discuss about this sharing the notes, sharing the assignment in the Google Classroom. How can we share these notes and assignments? So in the previous video, we have created a test classroom. This is the test classroom. This is the class code. You need to share this class code among your students. So I have considered another mail ID, my mail ID, just for the demonstration purpose. So this is my mail ID. Whenever a student will open his or her mail ID and in the Google Classroom, then he need to click on this plus sign. Whenever he or she will click on this, then there are two options. One is create class and another one is join class. So the student has to click on the join class, and then he or she will enter that class code, and then he will join the class. Just the joining is in the process now. So this is the space for the student, means for the teacher it will look like this, and for a student this will look like this. Means for a student there are stream, classwork and people, and for teacher stream, classwork, people, and one another tab is there, that is marks. So now if we want to share something with the class, just put here that you want to share a topic, name of topic. So you can write the name of that topic, and then after that, if you want to add any link, then you can add link. If you want to add a file, then you can add that file, or you can add any file from the Google Drive. So suppose I'm considering the link, then you need to find that link from YouTube or any other website. So you can link, you can add a file. So just consider any file from the desktop or from your device, from wherever you have stored. Suppose I have considered this file, and I have attached and then uploaded. Uploaded, and then now I need to post this. So this name it as question paper, and then post it. Now I have posted this material. So this will look like this at the teacher panel, and at student panel. Whenever he or she will open his classroom, then this stream was updated and then show. Now the student will see that question paper and then a test file. So in this way you can share any document, any link, or any YouTube link. There are formats. Whenever you want to share, you can add the file from the Google Drive. So this is the way of sharing file among the students. Now whatever you have shared, you will see in that stream portion. Now the classwork, if you want to create some classwork for the students, now create. If you want to create assignment, you can create quiz assignment, you can give question or material. Suppose we have created, we can create the assignment. So add or create material. Now we can write that it's assignment this can be termed as assignment 1. Instruction do as directed. Now you can attach any file. That again, that file you can consider, or you can consider any file. Now in this case I am attaching this file. So once this file will be uploaded, then it will be visible in this section. Now it is uploading. After the uploading, you can see that it is for test A. For how many marks, you can change the marks. You can select the students that for all students or any particular student. If you want to give some due date, then you can assign that due date, that this will be due on this date and this time. Topic, if you want, then you can write topic, and after that now you can assign this. Assign, of you want to schedule it, then you can schedule also. So if you want to schedule it for any day, you can select that day or date and time, and then you can schedule. So right now I'm assigning this. I have assigned this. Now in the student section, now we have to see that what will appear. So this is the classwork section. Classwork, this section is appearing in the student class. This is the assignment 1. This is the file which I have all attached. Then it is assigned for that particular student, and then he or she can see this by clicking this view assignment. Then its due date is shown here. After viewing, the student may submit it. Done and mark as done. If the student want to submit any private comment, then you can submit assignment submitted. This private comment will appear in the teacher section. Now this is the classwork. You can see that assignment handed in, and since I have not attached any file in that, so I am not able to see that attachment in this link. Otherwise, in the classwork, I can see that assignment 1, it is handed in by 1, and it is assigned for 1. So, and then from this link you can see that how many students are in the class. Whenever I will evaluate this assignment, the marks will display in this column. So that's all for the current video. In this video we have learned about the creation of assignment, how that assignment will appear in the student section or in the login of the student, and then how that student will reply in that assignment. In the upcoming video we will learn about the creation of quiz assignment through the Google Classroom, and also how to evaluate these assignments which are being attached by the students in the classroom. So till then, stay connected with the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.